Be careful when you put out on social media. Be careful when you come out come say. Be careful when you come out come carry on. Because here so is on no fingerprint, on no face picture, and every tracker to you.
What's up, my people? Welcome back to Drama Official TV. I'm going to share a part of Aunty Donna live where she got on her TikTok platform. And you know, she over there talk about the people in England, how them walk fast, and which man we married to you and what's it not. You know, Donna can't chat her things them already. But anyway, there's a part of her live which part she started to talk about how people are behaving on social media. And honestly, I'm going to speak specifically to the Jamaicans them because you know, she's talking in general, but we all listen and hear people that go up on social media. And then she talk about the people that go across the border and how they behave and all of those things. And I just want to listen to what she has said. I know I'm not going to bash her and things, but there's a lot of truth to what this lady is saying. So now just listen keenly and, you know, just like, comment, and subscribe.
Anybody have them still go England and come back now. And like one time when you get your sort out or so. No do it. You can't get no work, immigration, depend the people them want to employ you. Thank you, Chrissy. Immigration depend them, they can't keep you. Because them tell them so much £1,000 if they catch you and work with them. Them have to go up here and them not take not thank you, Chantel. Them not thank you, Smiley. Them not take them the circus they pan for them make them afraid. And over America, me a beg you no. Thank you, Toya. I make jump win. The blouse and skirt. You see if Trump win, remember me tell you America turn upside down. All I want to have a problem with Biden or Biden right now. Keep him in. You see all illegal immigrants out of America right now. You see if Donald Trump win, every dolly house mash up. Take it from me. If that man win, all of who will go the two border. And border, who not get sent back out of the country. No little leniency, no little go court, for no get to no stay, he must send no back. So it's better when you start pray for no. The first thing I'm going to do is build the wall, kind of to do it. And you know what? Him have a good chance for winning because the people them, even Jamaican and American over there, want them say America Lagos slack. So me I tell you no, I mean I tell you no with no biasness, because me no, I tell you no with no, you see, if him win, all I want to go through border, pack up on no bag and save up on no money. God, there's no more court, no no asylum. Him say America overpopulated with illegal immigrants. You could have get court there, them a go to so no go then just send on no back here. That them that no listen. Oh. If him run, if him get the up and see the judge, you know what the judge say what there? Him not stop him eligible, can go run for president. Yeah, that the people them want to hear. You know, some of them they all over TikTok and they are in a phone. And you know read certain things, and you know watch certain things that show America go. And you ever get the opportunity to run against Biden again, or whoever, him a go win. Because them say out of the history of America, and the first in the history of America so much illegal. And we not talk Jamaican alone, you know. Oh, because Jamaican does a little that so. In the box. Them attack Mexican, Puerto Rican, all kind of Rican who come African, all kind of nation who come through the border. But they then hold one man up America, one landlord has 75 body illegal black people, African all about him having down there in one room. So when you get the opportunity, try to get use and make use of it. Because if that man win, when I next election in America, now this year, if him win, dog name the whole of one supper. We're up there give Because someone when you not going to tell all kind of lies, say them a kill on out there. fool and yourself. Uno go over there and uno make a disgrace of the opportunity. I'm not biased. I sit down and see someone all over the same TikTok here. Uno go like America phone. Uno go like not even the American them where they able to cut there, you know. No go America go like someone from here, you know. Uno go like say up there phone and uno born there. And uno mama American and uno papa American. Uno go they go turn a disgrace to the people them country. Uno go there a thief more how American a thief. Uno go there a cuss and a carry on bad more how American a do it. And make a bad taste in my mouth. All me, if me ain't go too bad, me go hide under one rock. I want to understand, say, everything we want to do on TikTok, IG, and any kind of act, a record, and can be found. And it no got and I want to resume that. You don't know who I watch, you know. Immigration lawyer, depend ya. FBI, depend ya. Everything depends social media, you know. Social media. Nobody now look on the resume when you carry a job and see how much subject you have, you know. I want a social media footprint I carry, you know. A social media, our footprint, our face, our blueprint. I want to think, I want to put up something, I want to delete it, I want to take it down and eat that. American Embassy, Canadian Embassy, British Embassy, every embassy depend ya. You know, so when you not go look about visa or anything they want to know on a social media platform, they want to know, and you can't tell them no lie. And if you don't have 10 fake page, them know. You never know. You can have 1 million fake page, but every page you want to open now, you have to put out no proper details. So you sit down there and make fake page and go out with some things and things that they don't know. So you can't hide from social media. No care what you do. And sometimes you come on and you say some things. I don't know how incriminating it can be too, especially when we're in America, when you do some things and when you say some things. Be careful. Be careful when you say, be careful when you do. And me no bad mind, you know. Me no bad mind a soul in a foreign. You just be careful when you utilize the social media space if you do. Especially when you know that you don't have no papers. Be careful. Especially when you know that you go seek asylum. Be careful. Aunty Donna no want to come back here, you know. As God make Moses, I want the whole I want to go over there, utilize the opportunity and make use of America. Because when you get the opportunity to go through the border and reach safe, go over there, safe, work and make use of it. Remember, when you neighbor tree no cut up there. All we don't cut 3/4 we are done a jubilee, and we no cut a jubilee, cut away yard, and we no cut away yard, cut around the parish. Be careful what you not do in America or anyone there who no illegal. They might watch on a platform. You think say, let me tell you. You think say them American there, Canadian there, and British there. Who watch the immigration, them who watch social media, feel good for soon to come up at them foreign country and thief and do all kind of bad things and come out on platform and brag. You know, things that them a screen record and not take on don't have no. You don't feel so? Eh? You don't feel so? You think that whatever you do, or say pan your dust a gone and a gone in vain so? And Uno no feel say them a watch. Cause some of uno no wise, you know. Some of uno don't wise, none at all. Me they have a TikTok page and now see them now over here. Them they over here. One Jamaican girl follow my page. What's she name? She over here too and she always a put out sounding words. One time me I listen to her and she did do a blog about Jamaica and how to get them stay. And when she done the blog, she come back and do a live say it was an immigration lawyer did up on the live and correct her and tell her say everything what she has say right. All in a my little 1,400 I don't know yeah. One night time I did see two. You know how one when they watch me? Me no know. I don't know who in it to watch me right now. Me can't think say, oh I look at Jamaica and them, oh I look up here. Me no know who I watch. And you don't know which part on I go end up, on the face I go end up. Everything as somehow know. If you no do, no put it on social media. If you no you no put it on social media. If you no ask somebody a cuss, you no put it on social media. Everything you no put out. And you no carry on the most. You know, say me tell you something now. Take it from the uneducated dunce over here. I'm going to look at illustration. You know, say, you can depend on TikTok, whether you have one page or your big page, or you have numerous page. And every time you come on, somebody did a record and I make a file for you. I make a doc it out of you. And when you got caught in that, when I have no time, this person come in America and is a nuisance to America. They don't work, they sit on social media. And don't be disturbed or don't be surprised if them have people set up for do that now for all of a refugee. Well, left you and say, you can't live your God man, I kill you, and you have this and you suffer and you life under danger. Don't be surprised if them have docket pound for social media or not carry on or not conduct. And when you not go in a court, they have a pound. Enough people go up and play, I tell you if you don't know. And you don't watch news and you don't know nothing because you just hear about the party. Enough people go up and bother and they back here. Plane come down a month time from America, the plane them full now. Enough people, enough people go away through border. And they back at Jamaica, yeah. Ask if I lie, me I tell. Enough of them go through border, land, and I got court. And when they got court, you hear say you have to go back home. There's no evidence of your life in danger. You don't know, because you don't check them aspect there. You don't check them record there. You don't check for no, say they said people them not go in a court. You know, say a judge for your immigration law. For you not go to be turn up, can depend on your life by watch you now, you don't know. You don't know because them under you under fake page. And them under you, and you don't know, say them. Draw up on your socks. You don't left you for betterment. And again, me no grudge no. Because nobody can shoot me out of Jamaica. Jamaica can't refuse me. Them can sit down on the platform day in, day out and watch you know. I don't know. Anybody. That's why I never yet afraid of social media. Them say FBI watch me, fraud squad watch me. Them cannot watch me too for me no know. That's why I no run joke, I no run money joke, I no run nothing. What me say? So uno sit down and carry on and do certain things. Me I talk to the border patrol them, the border people them. Be careful because uno have to go court, you know. Uno have to go court. Some of them even have no passport. Some of them have no passport till they done. I mean, you say you can't married. I hear say you can't married. I don't know how true it is. I don't know me. So when you go up on asylum, you can't married. So I just tell you as a big woman, as a auntie, be careful when you put out on social media. Be careful when you come out come say. Be careful when you come out come carry on. Because here so is on your fingerprint, on your face picture, and every tracker to you. You understand? You can, but it doesn't make a difference. You understand? You don't know if you hear tomorrow, so them are watching you. And some of you remember when you tell them when you not come through it. And when you come on phone and when you talk some things, when you carry on. You understand? You can get married in the UK. No. But I just tell you, if you left here, if you make good and make your life better, utilize the opportunity. Utilize the opportunity. You understand? Yeah. Utilize the opportunity. Make use of the opportunity. You can't say I never tell you.